Welcome back to maths class. So we are just going to continue the second part, expand and simplify. This is the second class for the topic of algebra. If you are a beginner, you can just find out the first class and watch. Okay. So this is the first question: 3D plus 4 times 2D minus 5. So we can just do like this: 3D times 2D. So what is 3 times 2? It's, we know that is 6, and it is d times d. D times d, it is d square. Then next one, 3d times minus 5. It's only there only minus 1 minus, so it's minus 3d times 5. So we can just multiply the number. 3 times 5 is 15, and 1d is the, so the first portion is okay. Now we can just do it for 4 times 2d, that is positive number, it's positive, and 4 times 2 it is 8, 8d. Then 4 times minus 5, for it's positive, for positive 4 times negative it's negative, and 4 times 5 it's 20. Now we can check is there any like term. So here in the middle portion, minus 5, 15d plus 80 is like terms. We can add that. So it's 60 square, and what is actually minus 15 and plus d. We have 7g 70 and minus 20. So this one is the expanded form. Okay. Then the b 5x plus 4 and times 3x minus 8. 5x times 3x, 5 times 3 is 15, x into x is x square, then 5x into minus 8, it's minus 5 times 8, we know that is 40, and 40x, so that's over. Next 4 times 3x, it is positive 12x, then minus, because it's minus 4 times minus 8, 32, then 15x square. What is minus 40x plus 12? So we need to subtract that 140 minus 12, and it is 10 minus 2, it is 8, minus 1, it's 28. So which is the sign? The sign of the largest number is negative, so that's why it's negative. Minus 28x minus 32. If there is any mistake, you can just comment. Okay. Then C, question number C, 2f times 2f. 2f times 2 times 2, it's 4f times f, that is f square. Then 2f times minus 5, it's negative. 2 times 5, 10 f. Then 8 times 2f, 8 times 2 is 16 f. Then 8 times 5 minus 40. Then 4f square, what is minus 10f plus 16f. So we need to subtract 16 minus 10, it is 6, and the sign of the large number is actually plus, positive number, so 6f is answer. Positive 6f, and then minus 40. Next D, it's on the same format. Okay, so 4w times 2w, 4 times 2 is 8, and w square, 4 times 4w times minus, so it's negative. 4 times 5 is 20, and w times y, wy. Then 2y times 2w, that is actually positive 4yw. Then 2y minus 5y, so it's negative. 2 times 5, 10, y times y, y square. Then 8w square minus 20 wy and yw. It's actually with the same, okay, like times wy and yw is the same. Minus 20 plus 4, it's actually minus 16 wy minus 10 y square. Then From this side, question number E. There are three factors: x plus 2 times x plus 4 and x plus 1. So first we can just do this part, then we can just multiply with x plus 1. Then first we can check this one: x times x, it's x square. Then x times 4, it's positive 4x. Then x times x, no, sorry, 2 times x. 2 times x, it's 2x. Then 2 times 4, it's 8. We can just put a bracket here, and the other one is x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 2x is 6x plus 8, and this one is x plus 1. Now you can just multiply. Okay, you can do how many terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you expand, when we expand, we'll get 5 like that. So first we can just take x square times x, because this three factors means it become cubic. X square times x, that is x cube. Then x square times 1, that is 1x square, that means x square. So that portion is solved. Now again we can do with 6x. 6x times x, that is positive 6x square. Then 6x times 1, that is 6x. Okay, now the last number 8. 8 times x, it's 8x plus 8x. Then 8 times 1, that is 8. Now we can just add those all like terms. So that's x cube. Only one x cube is there, so we can just write like that. And x square plus 6x square, that's, we know that is 7x square, because x square is actually 1x square. So 1x square plus 6x square, it is 7x square. Then 6x plus 8, 6x plus 8, it's 14x plus 8. Okay. So this next, factorize this question. If you need, you can just write the notes. Okay, what is meaning of factorize? We need to split the term by term. We can split. This one is called factorize. Okay, so first we can check if there are two terms, is 4x and 8. 4x and 8. From here, which number is common? That we can check it. 4x, 4 times x plus this 8, we can split like 4 times 2. So we know that is 4 is common for both sections, so we can just take out it 4, and here it is x, then plus, and here it is 2. Okay, so 4 times x plus 2. 4 times x plus 2. We can check it is correct or not. Like we can just multiply to inside 4x, then plus 4 times 2, it is 8. So our answer is actually correct. Then next, 2x plus 2y. Sorry, 4x plus 2y. 4x plus 2y means it is 4. We can just write, that is 2 times 2x plus 2y. Okay. Then from here we can split like this 2, and this 2 and 2 is common, so we can take it out 2, and remaining here, that is 2x plus, and from here it is y. Okay, we can just check is correct or not. 2 times 2x, it is 4x plus 2 times y, it is 2y. So if the answer, reverse is correct, then that is correct. Then 36x square minus 6x. 36x square minus 6x. First, 36 and 6. Which number is common? 36 means we can just write 36 into 6 and 6. The second section is that is 1 into 6. So 6 is common, so we can take it out 6. And remaining here, the first term 6. Wait, okay. One more variable is also common, because x square means what? X into x. X times x, and here it's only 1x, so we can take it x also. So 6x square, 6x, we can take it out, and remaining the first term only 6x, then minus 1. Okay, because we took 6x out. That's why here 1. Okay. Please don't write 0. Okay, there is 1. 6x means 1x. 1, we can write 1 times 6x. So if you do take out 6x, it means 1. Now we can check it is correct or not. 6x to 6x. 6 times 6, 36. X times x, x square. Then minus 6x times 1, that is 6x. Okay, now need to write this one. Okay, you can just check it, is it correct or not. Then 42x square and 21x y square. So in variable, which one is common? It is x square and x, and here only y. Okay, so we can just take it out, x out. Okay, then which number? 42 and 21. So 42 and 21 is here. Check this number 21 and check the 42 is a multiple of 21. Then it is easy. Uh, we know that is 2 times 42 is a double of 21. So 2 times 21 is actually 42. 21 it is actually 1 times 22. So from here we know that is 21 is common. So I'm going to take out the 21 too. So in this first term 2 is remains, so 2, and we took 1x out, so there is x more, then minus 21 we already take out, so there is 1 over there, then x already we out, and y. So 1y square. No need to write to 1y square, you can just write y square. So this one is answer. Okay. Next 3 terms are there. Okay, so which is possible to take out of this one is x cube. X cube means x times x times x, and minus x square means x times times that is n minus x n. So we know that is from here. Just check the last the smallest one. Here the power the smallest one is x, and here also 1x, and here also 1x. So you can take it 1x out, so x out, then remaining here that is x times x, that is x square, minus so here it is xn, and here only n. Got it. Then next 2y square minus 5y, 2y square minus 5y. So here 2y square, that is 2 times y times y minus 5 times y. So here only y is common. So you can take it out y, and the remaining, that is 2y minus 5. Okay. So this is the factorization. Now we can check it once again, expand and simplify. Okay. So we need to do more problem like this. Now you can just pause and write your answer, then you can check the answer with me. Okay. 3 times a plus 3 times 8, 24. 24, so this one is answer. And next one, minus 5 times 7. So we know that is 5 times 7 is 35, and there is one minus, so minus. And negative times negative, and negative times negative is equal to positive. So is positive. 5 times x is 5x. Okay, we can just write like this too. Okay, 5x because it's positive 5x and minus 35 also. Okay. Next 3, number 3. R times minus 4, minus 4r. R times 5x, that is positive 5 rx, we can write. Okay, or xr. Okay, that okay. Then r times r, both are positive, so positive r times r square. This one we can just arrange it like this. Okay, r square plus 5rx minus 4r. Okay, this one okay, you can just arrange like this. That too. Now fourth one, h times h is h square, and 8 already there, so 8. Then h times minus 5 minus 5h. Then this one, try n times n square. What is n times n square? N times what is actually n times n square? You know that integers though, integers row. N square, n means n raised to 1 times n raised to 1. So if it is like that, we just add this like and write n cube. Got it? It's just integers rule of n times n n cube plus n times 2 through n. Now that's just minus. So what is actually minus? Minus means minus 1 is there actually. So x plus 8. Now you can just write easily. Minus 1 times x is actually minus x. Then minus times plus, that is negative 8. So minus x minus 8 is answer. And next one, 8a plus 4 times 2a plus 3. So first you can just write that 8a, then we can just break the bracket. 4 times 2a, it's 8a, then 4 times 3, that is 12, and we can just add 8a plus 8a, it is 16a, it's addition, okay, plus 12, 16a plus 12. Next question number 8. 4 times 4 is 4 times 4 is 16x. 4 times 1 plus 4. Okay, so that portion is over in bracket. Then x minus 5. Now you know how to expand this. 16x times x. So it's 16x times x square. Then 16 times minus 5. What is actually 16 times 5? 16 times 5, that is 0, 3, 5 plus 3, that is 8, 8, 0. So it's negative 8, 0, x, then 4 times x plus 4x, then 4 times minus 5 minus 20. Then 16x square minus 80x plus, you just subtracted 4. So say 80 minus 4 is sign is negative because of the sign of the large number. 80 minus 4, it's 76. 76x minus 20. This is the final answer. And we can do the last question from here. First we can just do this part. X times x times 2x, 2x square, x times 4, 4x, then 2 times 2x, again that is 4x, then 2 times 4, that is 8. So the first portion is over. Minus, the bracket is very important because of this negative. Then we can just do this part. 3x times x, 3x square, 3x times 8, 3 times 8, 24. So 24x, then negative 1 times x minus x, negative 1 times 8 minus 8. Okay, then we can just here in the first term, no need to write the bracket, but if it is write a bracket, it's okay. 2x square, 4x plus 4x is 8x plus 8, that's over. Next to minus, we can just reduce this 3x square, 24x minus x, it is 23x minus 8. Okay. Now we need to break the bracket here, so it is negative, that's why we need to care about it, because here it is actually 1, we need to multiply that 1 into inside of the bracket. So 2x square plus 8x plus 8 minus 1 into 3x square, that is 3x square minus 3x square. Minus 1 into 23x is actually minus 23x. That means it's just to change the sign, okay? minus 1 times minus is positive 8. Now we can just simplify this, check either any two. If 2x square is the minus 3x square. 2 minus 3, it is actually negative, okay, negative 1. So negative x square, and 8x minus 23x. 8x minus 23x square 2, that is 15. So it is actually minus 15x. So minus 15x, then plus 8 plus 8. So it is 60. Okay, so this one is the answer. Now you can check. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye bye.